Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to stake STG on Stargate. It's pretty easy to get this done. Make sure you open up your wallet, be it your MetaMask wallet or your Trust wallet, any of which make use of the Ethereum network, as both of them have Ethereum capabilities on there. So I'll be using MetaMask for this tutorial video. Once you've opened your MetaMask, make sure you're on the Ethereum main network, which is this icon at the top. If you click on the network drop down at the top of the screen and select the Ethereum main network, make sure you have some Ethereum main tokens for transactions. If you do not have the Ethereum mainnet tokens, you could easily buy these tokens by clicking on buy ETH. And once you've selected buy ETH, you could be buying your Ethereum using your Google card, your debits, your PayPal, a bank transfer. And once that's done, once you've gotten yourself some Ethereum tokens, the next option or your best option is to head to the browser icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once there, select Stargate.finance or log on to Stargate.finance, link in description of the video. Once you're on Stargate.finance, click on the connect wallet option at the top of the screen and select MetaMask. By doing this, you get to connect your MetaMask wallet onto the Stargate platform. And as you can see, we're connected to Stargate. So in order to be able to stake your STG tokens and to earn from the liquidity pools and the staking pools, you're going to need to swap your Ethereum tokens into the Stargate tokens for that to happen. As you can see, I've got some Ethereum on different networks, but the main Ethereum is the Ethereum we're looking for is the Ethereum on the main net. So head over to your Uniswap by opening a new tab and logging on to app.uniswap.org. So once you're in the browser, the icon at the top right that signifies wallet connection, click on this icon and make sure your wallet is successfully connected. As you can see here, my wallet has been connected successfully. Otherwise, it wouldn't be showing my balance. And with that in mind, in order to swap your Ethereum into the Stargate, make sure you have some Ethereum tokens. If you do not, proceed to buy. We're swapping from Ethereum, so click on swap Ethereum, and where we're swapping to is STG. So simply search for STG and select the Stargate Finance token. Once you've selected the Stargate for 0.025, we're getting a good amount of Stargate tokens for that amount. And all you need to do after is click on the swap option. As you can see here, swap is enabled. So 112 Stargates is equivalent to 0.025 Ethereum. So click on swap and you pay a gas fee of $8, or you could bridge it from other networks. Now with the Stargate token on our wallet, head to the Stargate.finance, open Stargate.finance. So with the Ethereum on your wallet and the Stargate tokens on your wallet, you could receive some extra Stargate when you head over to the stake option, which is just here. Once you're on the staking menu, click on the available stake, as this would reflect the tokens you can stake based on what you have. If you have some Stargate tokens, you could easily stake your Stargate tokens. As you can see here, it says I do not have any Stargate to be able to stake. So please make sure you have the Stargate on your wallet, and also make sure you have Ethereum to cover the transaction fees and the gas fees as well. And your next step would be to simply click on the available Stargate token that's shown and select the option to stake your Stargate tokens. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can stake STG, that's Stargate, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.